Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how will you operate Inmarsat C Sailor 6018 message terminal, and then I will explain this Inmarsat C one by one definitely and how to send message. First this button for dimmer, and then the other one mute button. This is some sound or ringing. Some sound or ringing can be mute this button. And then the other one for display button, the last one for this power button. From the Inmarsat C display and UTC type and GMD asset Inmarsat C this one for GPS position. And then India Ocean region distress receiver, and one other this for message receipt. And then the other ones for the battery. And also no power supply information applying is for we can check the setting. And also first I will explain this message. This message from that message inbound can see a message inbound is we want to send to the company or any other one. We can create a new message. It's new message want to create. We can choose this delete ESC to 7-bit and data file something. We want to choose this one for send to the company or any other. We can choose this delete 5 bits. So just one delete message only support upper letter can be yes. And then this to for this email address. Yeah, we can choose this one for before I can create this. I can create this for the contact list. So we can choose it. We want to send. It is for our company. Our company send to message. Choose OK. And then CC to the company or we can choose it's new or create. We can choose this new address or contact address. So I can choose this the contact CC for this. I choose to message from this ocean coin management, and then if we can choose this for management. Now okay. So to management C ship owner, and then PCC also can be select. PCC also we can choose this contact list is subject. Subject is anyone we want to choose this display. Somewhere we can choose it for test message something like this, and then finish we can send message. It anyone can finish we can send this for send message, and then it is for subject for example. For example, test capital letter DEST and test message, and then this import we write something we can choose, and then it's all complete we can send this message. It's for new and then import. This import message from import message from some any other message import. So this for satellite we can do ocean quiet marina and config address incorrect or unreached event. This for import message. And then outbound message is empty, and then some item for people last month I send this for ship owner. We can see subject ocean quiet Asia with satellite is abnormal DSR code. Ocean quiet Asia with satellite is subject abnormal satellite system. So someday this one for I send last month. This for some item and setting. setting is auto printer select the message receive it if we send or distract message or receive message. Just for auto printer receive message is we can choose anyone. So routine routine message also can be select this for auto print press OK. And then define service email service provider. Email service provider for CCTC China, KDDI, SATMail, Japan, and Central Global C email 02. So I can choose this. I can choose the start of Global C email 02. And then now this message of complete, and then second one EGC message. This EGC message involve and this for EGC message NAP area safety code to area 9 position OK. This for we can reach wrong part 1 part 2 3 no storm warning and seasonal weather and forgot. This for inbound message EGC inbound message. And then recession also. This for additional navigational warning. We can choose any other station. So now my message already arrived net area 8, so I already choose net area 8, and also my message say from China, and that's why and China is for net area 11. So you want to choose any other one 9 or 10 something like that, but this area is our real area. We can choose them. Okay. And then the other one coastal warning navigation and area and service. We can choose navigational warning, meteorological warning, ice report. And the other one we can choose them. But so I choose area warning, ice report, meteorological focus, pilot survey, low message. Additional navigational warning is and the other one we can choose them. And also you can choose this for sub A to A just for NAP area. NAP area A, for example MSW. This area from NAP station list is NAP station list for and as for example and SW November Sierra Whiskey. So okay. Just for and then just for coastal navigation warning here for NAVTEX recession. And then setting also this auto printing EGC. Auto printing EGC I already choose this auto printing EGC safety agency and destroy is for auto print. And the other I didn't choose because it's so many I didn't choose also printer this paper is so many useless, so I didn't choose. I only want to choose this safety net and destroy. Now this alarm ringing, so can mute. Now see, so I already explained message and EGC. Other one destroy. This destroy for data destroy alert test successful. So can test destroy pattern. Initially destroy pattern test. So now destroy pattern test is working. So cancel. Now destroy pattern test already complete. Destroy pattern test successful. Other one clear destroy indication. You want to choose clear destroy indication. This one for setting. It's setting for destroy alert nature. It's for example our some destroy. We can choose flattening, grounding, sinking, afternoon, piracy, attack, fire explosion, collision, listing, some other. We can choose for example fire or explosion. Okay. And then any other. And this for Atlantic destroy alert, Atlantic Ocean region is Pacific Ocean. Something we can choose for example India Ocean. This destroy alert. This destroy alert alias mean a land station. So okay. And then the other one. And that's other one for our sheet use GPS position. This one for manual position. So this for use GPS position and time of position, UTC time, and this for our shift code and then speed. Now our vessel already anchor, so speed is 0. Okay, and then it, for example, some fire or explosion, we can send the distress message. This for nature of distress is fire and explosion. This for we can choose the distress button inside of the setting. And then I already complete this distress button, and this sound ringing mute. Other one, NAQUA for we can choose the NOAA standard. NOAA standard is okay. NOAA region, India Ocean, current protocol free, second quality also 100%. And this one for login, it our vessel alright in Pacific Ocean, we can choose the Pacific Ocean. Now our vessel alright India Ocean, so I already choose this Indian Ocean. And then this one for logout. If logout press, already logout now no. And then the other one for second also second NOAA is I already NOAA stated is okay, no. And then other one limited. This link test for very important because weekly test, departure test, monthly test, every weekly before departure and monthly test we can choose this performance lister. A performance lister and also terminal wave loss. So that time it's limited, yes. So now I already performance lister already. So no, let's choose to no. And date time 2025. Yesterday I already test signal quality, the receive message that everything is okay, and overall the result is successful. And then we can choose the print. Then for link tab. On this for clear. This is clear for clear protocol. So clear the current protocol, no. And then other one for position also position okay. I already used the GPS position. Now cost no applying by speed 0, date time or this for UTC. Setting, this setting for our NOAA ID. This for NOAA coordination station. NOAA coordination station 014. This for Ocean region Atlantic E. This one for India Ocean 344. If you want to choose act or new, or you can choose the new. And also it want to edit also compress edit. It's want to delete. It's want to delete also can choose the delete button. And then any other for manual position. Manual position is cannot choose because I already used for GPS position. So already complete. NAQUA also complete, so we can choose the contact. This contact left from this for I already contact it. For example, it you are company or your management company something, and the port control station you want to choose contact list. So new message or can choose, and then you can write name and email address. Is everything is correct. We can choose that. Okay. Now I didn't choose, so cannot cancel. And then this one for active and then delete anyone. This navigation hazard, you can choose active or not. Is active. Someday you can choose that can active. This one for packet import contact and export contact. This export contact where file import contact from a file import contact where we added an existing contact. It some imported contact or some export contact can be used this packet contact. So I already completed this contact at this the last one for system. System means this our this Inmarsat C system C/6018 message terminal version serial number. Our this serial number are global break number. And then the other one C/3027 GMS terminal software version. And the other one says Sailor 6194 control unit. This one also software version. And this for about power. This one for power so unknown, no power supply information applying back. The setting. Can choose the regional setting, date format. You can choose the date month year or month year something. Anyway you like, you can choose. The other one for sequence setting for anyone you can choose that. I don't like this color, cancel. The other one for NMEA commissioning mode off, so this for no need to important. Advanced setting also generate diagnostic report. This for generate diagnostic report and also terminal, and this for generate diagnostic report also not important for us. This one for mini C terminal mode. So already complete this Inmarsat C Sailor 6018 message terminal. This Inmarsat C, my message is in Inmarsat C already. Can use this can use this distress pattern and also data connector LID long range identification tracking system cannot connect this Inmarsat C because my message already had this Inmarsat C 1 and 2. The other type of Inmarsat C can connect the LID information so can send message and also company position, our ship position, and also OSP can see this our LID information. This Inmarsat C connected the LID. This one cannot connect the LID, so only can use a distress pattern. So I already explained that Inmarsat C message 6018 terminal. This one for dimmer, mute, distress pattern, power pattern, and the message is message we can choose the new inbound output send item and setting. And the other one for EGC inbound message, EGC reception, and the setting. EGC reception means NAVTEX area and also NAVTEX station list. And that is for auto printer EGC. We can choose the anyone. And the other one for distress. This for distress and also some kind of distress nature we can choose, and we can practice distress pattern. The other one for network. This network from inside of the linter is very important for us because weekly test, monthly test, and about charted we can choose this limited. The other one for contact list. This contact list for it we want to send message any item, we can choose this contact list for this contact list for must be contact our management company and the management company or ship owner. We can contact this one. And the other one for system. This system for not important for us because this system for this Inmarsat C and Inmarsat C version and Inmarsat C software version. So this one for already completed. So thanks for watching to my channel. Please subscribe and share my channel, and see you next video.